Is one side of your face different from the other? Yeah, you're not alone. Most people have some asymmetry, but here's the good news. There are actually simple things you can do about it. I'm sharing 3 game-changing tips that work. Tip 1. Targeted facial massage. The secret? Your muscles. If one side of your face is less toned, that side can appear droopy or different. Here's what to do. Massage the weaker side of your face for 2 to 3 minutes daily using upward strokes. Focus on your jawline, cheekbones, and temples. Use your fingers or a jade roller to increase blood flow and tone muscles. Do 20 cheek lifts per side, smile wide, and hold for 3 seconds. Do this every morning. Results? You'll see tightness and lift in 3 to 4 weeks. Tip 2. Contouring magic. While you're building muscle, makeup is your instant fix. This takes 30 seconds. Use a slightly darker foundation on the fuller side of your face. It recedes visually. Add a light highlighter to the thinner side. It brings it forward. Contour your jawline asymmetrically. Add shadow where you need definition. Blend, blend, blend for a natural look. It's an optical illusion that actually works beautifully. Tip 3. Change your daily habits. This is sneaky but powerful. Sleep position. Always sleep on your back. Side sleeping creates pressure that worsens asymmetry over time. Posture. Stand up straight. Bad posture makes one side sag more than the other. Chewing. Chew evenly on both sides. Most of us favor one side, which overdevelops those muscles. Phone position. Hold your phone at eye level, not tilted to one side. These habits created your asymmetry. Fix them, and you'll see real changes in 6 to 8 weeks. Here's the thing. Facial asymmetry is normal, but if it bothers you, these 3 tips are your toolkit. Combine facial exercises, smart contouring, and habit changes, and you will see improvement. Start today and tag me in your before and afters. You've got this.